Hey, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing well. I have some great information for you. If you're like a photographer like me and a YouTuber and you do pictures and product reviews and all of that, you probably want to set up something really nice. But if you're on a limited budget like myself, you can't afford to spend all this money that everybody else can spend. But for less than $200, I can show you some products. You could buy one or two of them at this time, who will help you get started in this product. Now, as you can see into the left, I have a little display set up so you can get an idea. There's about 3 products in there. There's some lighting, there's a turntable, there's a stand, and there's a backdrop. And you can use any type of backdrop. Let me just show you these products. I think you'll be interested in them. Let me show you a quick video of, you can see them in motion, and I'll explain each one of them. As you can see here, this is the rotating table. Now, I've placed an object on idea, and of course we would have to play with the lighting. But as you can see, I can have it rotating and looking at a product and getting the idea of what that product is. I can take my camera and be taking pictures. Now, I've adjusted the lighting even down even further. And here we place a crystal on here. And again, as you adjust the lighting, you get your pictures will have different hues. And as you learned in basic photography, depending upon the angle and where your light is, you're going to get different results. Now, what I want you to notice is that on this crystal vase, the bottom is lit. And what that is, the rotating table has a light built into it, which we can change different colors. So as you can see here, the stand can hold a phone vertically or horizontally. And you can see in this studio that I have prepared for it, it makes a great addition if you're using the cell phone. Now, for video purposes, now, if you're going to use your cell phone, you're going to need a cell phone holder, a cell phone stand that's adjustable, that could be either used as a selfie stick or a stand that's adjustable anywhere from low to high, that you can adjust the camera whether vertical or horizontal or move it in an angle. And this is one of the products that we're going to be talking about. I'm going to leave you the links of all of these products. They're from various manufacturers. I've tested each one and used them. They work wonderful. Another product that you're going to need, of course, is lighting. I mean, one of the things is that you're going to need to have the lighting just right for your product review, and that's very important. And one of them is this Selfie. This is a 70 LED. It comes in a 2-pack, and the LED stand can be adjusted, as you can see, from 7 inches all the way up to 48 inches. You can move the LEDs back and forth. It works really good. Another great thing is there are filters that come with it. And each one of the filters, anywhere from clear to yellow to black to dark, will give you a different color and set up the mood for which picture you're taking. So it's great for your creator, your YouTuber, your product review, for photography. And what's really nice about these stands is each one of the stands, the power switch, it is color-coded so you know which one you're using. And the other thing is it comes with remote controls, and those remote controls are color-coded also. So you can just look at the light and see by the color on it which one you're controlling. So as you can see from the video, this is a really, really nice product stand, and it's less than $50. I'll leave again that link, my Amazon link, affiliate link, where you can find it. It's 10 inches wide. It has a center light, and you can order it with the ability to have different colors come out of that LED light. So, whether you're doing photography, beauty, you can light up the item. You can do a food show. You can rotate it counterclockwise, clockwise. The one I personally bought for myself is rechargeable, so I don't have to leave a cord plugged in. So while I'm doing the shoot, it's really, really good. You can adjust the speed of how fast it turns from 22 to 80 seconds per revolution. It really just makes doing product shoots really, really easy and helpful. like I said, once you're setting up your package, you can get all of these products, one of these products, whatever you feel you need. And like I said, if you're using your cell phone holder is great. Getting LED lighting with ability to put filters on it, the turntable, and on the product on the right, which I didn't talk about, is basically a photo box. If anybody, you photographers, know what this is when you're doing photo shoots, this is just one of many that you get. Again, the whole package will cost you less than $200 less your cell phone, of course. And I find it very, very useful when doing product displays, product shoots, when I'm setting up a photo op with the customers that I have. I do a lot of photography, anywhere from personal photography to landscape photography. So again, I hope this information has been helpful for you. Again, I'm going to leave you the affiliate links. Please don't forget to use those links when you're looking at these products or ordering these products. That's how we get paid in the channel. Don't forget, please, to like, share, and subscribe. And there's a little dollar sign, a little thank you there if you want to leave a gift to help promote the channel. And again, this is your Grandpa Casey out. I have a lot of product reviews, product how-tos, DIYs out there. I hope this has been helpful for you again, and you have a great day. And don't forget to leave, if you're using any of these products or have tried these products, please put it in the comments and let everyone know how they worked for you.